everyone, it's Katie with Beat the Brew, day 7 here, and we are talking about our weekly plan. Weekly planning is so important to me. I am a planner by nature. I love to check things off my list and see that I have gotten things accomplished for the day. So this is right up my wheelhouse. And I just want to show you a little bit of how I do it for your weekly plan. So first of all, what I'm doing is I am filling in, you can see here, BTB. That means Beat the Brew. So every morning I am going to do my Beat the Brew morning routine. And you can see on Monday I also put in my clean for my weekly clean and bedding so that I could be sure to wash the bedding. Now I am filling in some of my other appointments that I'm doing. For example, the 4 p.m. room check. That's when I check the kids and make sure that they have cleaned their spaces. And then I fill in my zone cleaning. So the zone cleaning is something that you can do every day for 15 minutes every day, or you can do it in big chunks. So I prefer to do it just a couple of times a week. So I'll do a 15-minute chunk and then I'll do 45 minutes to even an hour on another day. And I feel like that just works best for me. But this week you can see we are in zone 4, which is the master bedroom. Now what I'm showing you here is that every month in my planner I have a monthly cleaning schedule. And I have all of the tasks that I want to get accomplished for each of my zones. And what I do is I take a look at my list and I see what I have checked off from the month before. And then I start with the things that I did not check off. So the first thing I did is I asterisked that I needed to organize my closet. I did not do that last month, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in as my first task for zone cleaning. And then for the rest of my zone cleaning time, I'm going to accomplish those tasks, as I said, starting with the tasks that I did not get to the month before. And then I'll just carry that list over to next month so I know where to begin. As I begin to fill in my other tasks, I just want to point out that I am using a Plum planner this year, and it is their Me layout. I traditionally have used Erin Condren. I've used Erin Condren for 5 years, but I wanted to try this Me layout because I find that it's really conducive to block scheduling. Now, block scheduling is a concept that I first learned about from, oh goodness, what is her name? She does Fun Cheaper Free. Jordan Page from funcheaperfree.com. I'll link her video in the description below about how to block schedule so that you can get, in detail information about that. But basically, you just break your day into different blocks of time. So as you can see, I've got a morning block, a school block, afternoon block, evening block, and then I've got a health block and a blank block that I didn't fill in when I was creating my planner. And so I try to schedule all of my daily tasks within these blocks of time so I know what to do when. So for example, in my morning block, I have got all of my cleaning tasks and all of the tasks that I want to accomplish before school starts in my house. So I pull out what I'm going to be making for dinner, I get dressed and ready, all of those things occur in my morning block. And then I move on to my school block and anything that I need to accomplish for Sam's school or Michael's school or the homeschool co-op, I put in that block of time. And then in the afternoon block, I use for my zone cleaning or for doing YouTube videos. I use it for anything that I need to do outside of the house, like running errands. And then the evening block, I've got my hoop class, my silks class. We go to church on Wednesday nights for small group. So I fill all of those things in that I know that I'm doing at any time. And the blocks make it really helpful to organize my day. So I don't actually have my silks or hoop this week because it is spring break, but I do have a separate silks practice that I needed to remember that I was doing on Wednesday afternoon. And so now I'm just fast forwarding and kind of showing you how I fill in my health section, I do water, remember to take my pills, I don't want to drink alcohol during the week, and I want to make sure that I walk and stretch. And then finally, and this is the really fun part for me, I go in and I fill in all of my little boxes with my highlighters and make my page look really colorful and fun. Like, I can't wait to see it because it just brings me joy because it is so colorful. And then I go ahead and decorate and apply stickers as well. So now it's your turn. Even if you don't have a planner like this, you can grab a loose leaf piece of paper or you can get a spiral journal and just start marking down your week. I like to have the planner like this because it helps, like, I go back through and look at my memories over the years because I can see what I was doing. But any old thing will work. Just make a plan because a plan equals progress. Give yourself a check and I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Thanks everyone. See you later.